Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mayfield around 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cranberry Creek around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northampton Beach Public Campground around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northville around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Edinburgh around 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bay Center around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Smith's Corners, Fairchild's Corners, Kingsborough, Sky Ranch, Jackson Summit, Munsonville, South Greenfield, Overlook, Maple Grove, and Lindsley Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/Salini, or Twitter at Salini. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Hamilton County in eastern New York, northwestern Saratoga County in east central New York, northeastern Fulton County in eastern New York, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Caroga Lake Public Campground, or 8 miles north of Gloversville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.